In this video, we will show you how to delete Instagram account from your computers. When you no longer needed your Instagram account, you can delete it permanently. How to do that? First, you can open your Instagram. After you sign in on your Instagram, you can just click more in here and select settings. You can also select settings by clicking this button and select settings and privacy. After that, you can click on the See More in Account Center. Select this. After that, go to Personal Details here. In here, there is contact info of your account, and on the number 3, there is account ownership and control. Just click this option. In here, you will see the menu that can deactivate or delete your account. Just click this option and choose your Instagram profile here. Select Delete Account option and click Continue. In here, you need to type the password. After you type your password, your Instagram account will be deleted from Instagram. Do it carefully, and after you think indeed don't need the Instagram account again, you can continue this step. That's all tutorial how to delete Instagram account in 2025. Hope this video helpful for you.